The evolution of the Internet. Today, the Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities. Consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols, has been part of the lives of almost all people in our planet. It also changed the way we live our lives over time. So, aren't we curious of how it all started? It all started in 1969. The Internet was born in 1969 from the efforts of wide area networking that originated in several computer science laboratories in the US, UK, and France. The US Department of Defense awarded contracts as early as of the 1960s, including for the development of the ARPANET project, directed by Robert Taylor and managed by Lawrence Roberts. The ARPANET project led to the development of protocols for internet working, in which multiple separate networks could be joined into a network of networks. After 21 years, the World Wide Web 1.0 was born by Tim Berners-Lee. While working at CERN, Berners-Lee became frustrated with the inefficiencies and the difficulties posed by finding information stored on different computers. So to make work convenient for him, he, with the help of his colleague Robert Cailliau, built a hypertext project called the World Wide Web, where information are viewed through hypertext documents using client-server architecture. 1995. Microsoft launches Internet Explorer and Netscape Grace SSL, which are commonly called as browsers, a program with a graphical user interface for displaying HTML files used to navigate the World Wide Web. Now, in 1997, weblogs and GoDaddy are born. Weblog is a website that consists of a series of entries arranged in reverse chronological order, often updated or frequently with new information about particular topics. The information can be written by the site owner, gleaned from the other websites or other sources, or contributed by users. While GoDaddy is an American publicly traded internet domain registrar and web hosting company, headquartered in Scottsdale, Arizona, and incorporated in Delaware. By the way, a domain registrar is a company that manages the reservation of internet domain names, and a web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that allows individuals and organizations to make their website accessible by the World Wide Web. From 1996 to 1998, Google is created. Google began in January 1996 as a research project by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, when they were both PhD students at Stanford University in California. And the main purpose of Google search is to hunt for text in publicly accessible documents offered by web servers, as opposed to other data such as images or data contained in databases. The year 2000. Since the use of the internet, especially Google, is rising, they grabbed the opportunity in making money out of it. Business as you know. So here now, the Google Ads, aka Google AdWords, it is Google's advertising system in which the advertisers bid on certain keywords in order for their clickable ads to appear in Google's search results. Since advertisers have to pay for these clicks, this is how Google makes money from search. 2004. Just like the saying, innovation arises if there's a need. In this year, Facebook, Gmail, Flickr, and Vimeo were founded, the start of communicating overseas. Well, we all know that Facebook is a popular free social networking website that allows registered users to create profiles, upload photos and video, send messages, and keep in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. And then, Gmail is a free web-based email service currently being tested at Google that provides users with a gigabyte of storage for messages and provides the ability to search for specific messages. Flickr is a media platform used for uploading, organizing, and sharing digital media such as photos and videos. Vimeo is a video sharing platform that was launched in 2004 by a group of filmmakers. On 2005, Joomla and YouTube were created, reaching 1 billion users. On the year 2006, Twitter and Wix were created, and so the Web 3.0 is born. Web 3.0 is defined as the creation of high-quality content and services produced by the gifted individuals. If you do not know, Wix is a proud and happy company that's providing a world-class website building platform to millions of users around the world. You could just simply create your own website easily by Wix. On 2010, Instagram and Pinterest were born. Just like creative minds arises and media becomes more beautiful every day, thanks to internet, we have platforms for that. 2012, Google launched a Penguin update in April to better catch sites deemed to be spamming the use of messaging systems to send an unsolicited message, especially in advertising, as well as sending messages repeatedly on the same site. And in 2013, the internet reached 2.4 million users, and Google develops Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the codename given to a significant algorithm change in Google search in 2013. Its name was derived from the speed and accuracy of the Hummingbird. Hummingbird places greater emphasis on natural language queries, considering context and meaning over individual keywords. Do you remember spending so much researching your assignments and references, even with the use of internet? Well, to make things easy for us, Google gave importance to user experience and responsive web design, which is the approach that suggests the design and development should respond to the user's behavior and environment based on screen size, platform, and orientation. IoT is driving businesses changes by providing the data needed to improve marketing, increase sales, and decrease costs. Artificial intelligence, AI, is already significantly impacting the way of customers interact with businesses via intelligent websites and bots. 5G, the rise of 5G networks is increasing our ability to move, manipulate, and analyze data across wireless platforms. We have serverless computing, blockchain, robotics, biometrics, 3D printing, virtual reality, and many more.